It is a beautiful spring day in Myrtle Beach. We're in Bell Harbor and Market Common. And today we're going to take a look at 2383 Blue Crane Circle. This is a really pretty neighborhood. We are close to the shops and restaurants. You can take a golf cart, you can ride a bike to the beach, to the movie theaters, to the shops and restaurants. This house is just about 1 year old. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, plus a separate study or office that could be used as a 4th bedroom in a pinch. It has hardy plank exterior. This is concrete fiber board. It's very durable, it doesn't rot. Termites don't like it. It breaks their little teeth. This house is in fantastic shape. It's got LVP flooring, which I love. I just put this flooring in my house last year. Smooth ceilings. It's a split design, so the guest rooms are on this side of the house. They are using these guest rooms basically for storage right now, but you've got one guest room up front. Really nice ceiling fans. You've got a guest bath here, ceramic tile, granite countertops, tub shower. There's me. Hi. And guest bedroom number 2. Let me shut this door since it's about 65 outside. Nice hallway here. You have a coat closet. Have a nice big laundry room. This house comes with a washer and dryer. You also have a big double car garage here. There's storage above. This house has a tankless on-demand gas hot water heater. It is a natural gas community, so there's a gas stove. This is really what makes this house the huge volume ceilings, nice ceiling fans, recessed lighting, this big great room, kitchen, open concept here. Got big heavy curtains, but there's still lots of natural light in this house. There is a separate office or study here. This is really a flex room. You could use it as a formal dining room. You could use it as a den like they're doing. You could use this as a bedroom if you wanted to. There's no closet, but there's ample room to have an armoire put in here. And I love the flexibility of this room. It's got a tray ceiling, nice ceiling fans. But this is great. Stainless steel appliances, lots of cabinets, stepped up cabinets. There's a big pantry here. Nice subway tile backsplash, natural gas stove. But I mean, this is great. There's another little area here that you could use as a breakfast nook or a little sunroom. But it also has a covered porch. Now you could easily screen this in if you wanted to, and some of the neighbors have. If it were me, I'd screen it in and put a paver patio out here. One of the nice features is, since this is a natural gas house, there's a natural gas line outside as well. Nice backyard area, and this backs up to undeveloped land. You can see the tankless on-demand hot water heater on the side of the house over here. I love the rocking chairs. So we'll take a look at the master bedroom. I just love this kitchen living room. So you've got a big master here. This is a king-size bed. There's plenty of room. There's tray ceiling. I love the ceiling fans they put in too. And all these ceiling fans that you're seeing all have remotes for them. But this is a huge room here. And you have a huge master bath too. So again, ceramic tile floors, granite countertops, and these are comfort height countertops. There's a nice tile shower with a little seat in it. There's a nice linen closet. And then you have a huge walk-in closet. There's a full dresser in here. Lots of space, lots of shelving. So this is a great house in Bell Harbor, in Market Common. It's close to everything: shops, restaurants, grocery stores, close to the beach. Market Common is the most desirable neighborhood along the Grand Strand, easily. It's a great place to be. For more information, give me a call. My name's Jay Bonnoitt with Century 21 Boling. All my contact information is right below in the YouTube comment section. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you soon.